Madam Speaker, the Department of the Police has made the submission to and we don't have any other means of trying to come up with a solution of what will be the compensation. It's with the hands of the court.
Thank you, and I give the floor to the Honourable Nawaipuru.
We know the effect of immunity, but does the government have does the recommendation contain compensation in any event?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, at this point in time, I can go back and answer that, but I don't have the answer to your questions.
Thank you. I reckon the answer can be provided in writing to the member asking the question. Thank you, Honourable Bolitavu.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Given that the answers given by the Honourable Minister that it will all rely on the immunity covered by diplomats. But this is the first case, I suppose, that has happened in our country in regards to a person working in diplomatic missions here has involved in a road accident. Can the Honourable Minister outline or inform the House whether the Department of Police or the Fiji Police Forces carried out some awareness and even talks with other diplomats in regards to this kind of issues, not to be repeated, or the other things that can be considered by those who are in our country in regards to offences that have committed in regards to the law of Fiji?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, as far as I'm aware, there's nothing being done in regards to the awareness to other diplomats at this point in time.